and I made it to the Whitney Portal Trailhead. Gonna eat some dinner real quick, take a nap, and hit it. Alright, 12:45 a.m. Time to get ready to go. Alright, after a restful night's sleep, I'm gonna be starting the hike. It's pretty much a full sturgeon moon tonight, about 1:42 a.m. And I think I'm gonna be hiking without a headlamp because it's just so gorgeous out. Here we go. Okay, so I'm hiking. It's like 2:30. I'm already starting to think about this delicious spoiled lunch that I packed for myself, prelude. And I just remembered that I forgot a spork. Okay, sun's rising. It's about 5:50 a.m. and I've made about 3,500 vertical feet of the way up. About 5.5 miles in, and behind me are some gorgeous mountains. I'm going to be going up right here. So let's see how that works. Alright, so it's 6 a.m., just passing Consultation Lake. Sun is rising, don't need a headlamp anymore. So cool. All these huge boulders strewn across this granite field here, glacial ice. So pretty cool. Hey, the sun is out, the vibes are high. See everything now. So pretty, so gorgeous, so lucky, so blessed. Woo. Let's get up there. Just past 7 a.m. and I'm about 46 switchbacks in, 50 to go. In this section at least. And then we'll be up on the ridge, up there. We can get up to Whitney. Okay, made it to Discovery Point. Now, big traverse over the rest of these mountains. Over there. Really pretty frozen lakes behind me. It's gorgeous. Just seeing some mountain views up on the spire. So lucky. My heart's pounding. I'm out of breath. I'm hungry. But right there's the top. Yeah. Okay, I just finished up lunch and my beer, and now it's time to get down and get down safely and quickly. What a great time, Whitney. Look forward to being back. Also, another customary part of the trip is a call to mom, so do that before I start my proper descent. Oh, I just glissaded, I don't know, 1,500 yards. That's freaking awesome. Most fun, most scary time of my life was glissading. Well, maybe not, I don't know. That was just something new. New and edgy, for sure. Alright, it is 3:45. This adventure has gone on much longer than I anticipated. But I am down at trail camp. Still many more miles to go. I'm not gonna kid myself, but water! Time to fill up. Okay, just traversed back over the last ice bridge, took off my micro spikes, stowed the ice axe, took off the helmet, brought out the second pole, and now it's time to hightail it back to the car. I am a tired puppy who needs rest. Maybe some skiing, a little hand in hand. Alright, this adventure took much longer than I anticipated. It's about 7:30. Everything hurts. And I have about half a mile left. And that's a wrap. Back at the car. Absolutely exhausted, but a great day. I would do it again tomorrow if my body wasn't destroyed.